Here's an interesting fact. Most business owners have no idea that you can do what's called an update inside a Google Business Profile, but really it's nothing but posts. It's a way for you to take business information and be able to put it out to your Google Business Profile, which used to be Google My Business. Hey, my name is Rob, and today I'm going to show you exactly what posts are and how to be able to do it from the platform. So here's where posts show up. So if you're inside of Google, for example, I typed in Simply Be Found, pulled up our profile, and I looked right here. Here's all of our posts that are inside of here right now. Now we use this for all kinds of testing and everything. So everybody goes, "Well, you don't do all the stuff you practice and you preach." Well, it's because we're constantly testing new stuff out, taking stuff off. We use it as a demo account because Google doesn't give us a demo account to be able to play with. So instead of using one of your accounts, we use this one. So no, we never post anything on your behalf. But this is where posts end up. So what the algorithm does inside of Google is it looks at this information. So you're taking that information and you're starting to build it up. So now you have this. It's for being able to see it, to be able to fill it and look. Um, how does that information get there? Well, you come into the platform, you say create a post, you add your photo. We'll use this one for right now. We'll say it's a good image. You're going to write your descriptions. You're going to put your description right here, whatever you're going to say. You're going to select a call to action. You can choose learn more. It'll go out. You can say call now and put your phone number into there. So learn more puts the ability to put any link. And then call now allows you to be able to put your phone number that's on your Google Business Profile. Now you can send this out to Google. You can send this out to Facebook. You can schedule your post and select what you want. If it's AM, PM, what time you want it to go out, and you can get all your stuff done from one spot really super fast. Now, that's the benefit of posts. Posts are really super simple. They're a very easy way for you to do it. Now, if you're on a premium plan, we will create draft messages for you to give you post ideas, looking at your competition, looking at what will help you be able to rank higher. So if you want to use posts or updates to be able to increase your profile and be able to find more customers and rank higher, then check it out. Posts are coming with our free plan for Google Business Profile. You have to be on a pro or higher for Facebook. But check it out at simplybefound.com. Sign up for free today and see the difference of what you could do for your business by using posts.